Unit 12 retake. Surface area and volume. Question 1. Find the surface area of the rectangular prism. A. 144 square yards. B. 137.6 square yards. C. 17.2 square yards. D. 179.6 square yards. 2. Find the surface area of the square pyramid. A. 345 square yards. B. 185 square yards. C. 160 square yards. D. 180 square yards. Question 3. Find the volume of the cube with side lengths of 6/4 inch. Write your answer as a mixed number in lowest terms. Question 4. What shape could you fold on the dashed lines to form a square pyramid? Question 5. An aquarium on Roanoke Island is shaped like a square prism. It is 17.5 feet deep, and the base measures 38.2 feet on each side. What is the volume of the aquarium? Question 6. Which of the following side lengths for the square pyramid would result in a surface area of 585 cubic centimeters, square centimeters? A. 6 centimeters. B. 15 centimeters. C. 30 centimeters. D. 36 centimeters. Question 7. What is the surface area of the net below? Question 8. The rectangular prism below is formed by cubes with side lengths of 2/3. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? Question 9. A rectangular prism has edges of 2 inches, 2 3/4 inches, and 1 1/2 inches. How many cubes with side lengths of 1/4 inch would be needed to fill the prism? Question 10. David wants to wrap the shape below with wrapping paper. How much wrapping paper does he need? Question 11. A moving truck has a volume of 559 cubic feet. The truck is 10 feet wide and 8.6 feet tall. How long is the truck? Question 12. Elaine's room is in the shape of a rectangular prism, 12 feet long, 10 feet wide, and 9 feet tall. Elaine paints the 4 walls and the ceiling, but not the floor. She paints 2 walls green, 2 walls blue, and the ceiling white. How many square feet will she paint blue and green? Question 13. Create the net for the following pyramid and label the dimensions. Calculate the surface area.